The beat is another chance. Your heart. The beat. Listen. Listen to your rhythm. Listen to your heart. That is your life. Those arteries, those veins, the blood that goes through. The beat is another chance. You have another chance. Stop worrying. Stop hiding. Stop denying. Be you. Come out of that shell. Come out of that hole. Come out of that room. And go get the world. Go get the world, because you're going to lose a little today. And then you're going to lose a little tomorrow. And then you're going to lose a little bit the day after that. And so on. The beat is another chance. The beat, your heartbeat, brings another day. Another day on earth. Another day to shed something. Another day to become something. If you walk out on you, you walk out on life. If you walk out on you, you walk out on every goal you ever imagined. Dig, push. Dig, push. Stride, ride. Stride, ride. Run, walk. Run, walk. That's all it takes. That action. Coming back tomorrow, even though it burns today, but coming back tomorrow, because that's when it counts the most. Going out there when you do not want to be out there. The heartbeat brings another chance. Will you cherish the heartbeat? The flow of life in your body? The sun over your head? Will you make something today? A better you? The beat is another chance. Your heart, the day. Dig, push. Dig, push, stride, ride. Stride, ride. Love yourself to better yourself. The beat is another chance.